Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever taken on a home improvement project that seemed simple until you actually got into it, you know how quickly things can go sideways. Today, we're diving into something every homeowner or DIYer dreads: installing a door lock. It's not just about drilling a hole, it's about precision, alignment, and doing it right the first time. Enter the Milescraft Lock Mate PLUS, a tool designed to take the guesswork out of one of the most finicky parts of door hardware installation. Priced at $34, it's positioned as a budget-friendly solution. But does it actually deliver? Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through my real-world experience putting this jig to the test, how it handles where it excels, and whether it's truly worth a spot in your toolkit. No marketing fluff, no stage perfection, just honest insights from someone who's been elbow deep in sawdust trying to get it right. Let me tell you, if you've ever struggled with installing a door lock, especially trying to line up those holes perfectly on both sides of the door, you know how frustrating it can get. That's exactly why I was excited to try out the Milescraft Lock Mate PLUS. Right out of the box, it feels solid. It's not some flimsy plastic jig you'd expect at this price point. The metal inserts around the drilling guides add a level of durability that gives you confidence it won't crack or warp over time, which is something I've dealt with on other, cheaper models. The design itself is smart, self-clamping mechanism, adjustable for both 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 door thicknesses, so it fits most standard interior and exterior doors. And the best part? It clamps down securely and stays put. I tested it on a solid wood door, and once locked in place, there was no shifting, which is half the battle when you're trying to drill a clean, accurate hole. Now, where this jig really shines is in its simplicity. You don't need to be a seasoned pro to get good results. I used it to retrofit a deadbolt into a door that already had a knob but no lock. The existing hole was smaller, so I needed to line everything up precisely. I used the two 1/8 hole saw, which is included, and started from one side. The pilot bit guided everything beautifully, and when it just barely poked through the other side, I flipped the jig and aligned it with that tiny mark, drilled from the opposite side, and boom, perfect alignment. No misaligned holes, no chipped wood, and no guesswork. That's huge. I've seen too many projects ruined by a slight angle or offset, but this tool eliminates that risk. Plus, both hole saws are bimetal cobalt, so they stay sharp even when cutting through tougher materials, and I noticed clean exits on both sides of the door without the usual tear out. I've used other jigs before, some more expensive, some brand name hardware store models, and this one holds its own. The real advantage here is the metal reinforcement around the hole guides. On plastic jigs, after a few uses, the edges start to wear and the whole alignment gets sloppy. But with the metal inserts, it feels like this tool is built to last, even with semi-regular use. I've installed a few doors over the years, nothing full-time, but enough to know what works. And this one gave me the precision I needed without making me second-guess every step. The clamping action is smooth, the adjustment mechanism is intuitive, and the whole thing feels like it was designed by someone who's actually done this job, not just sketched it in an office. For DIYers or weekend warriors, this is a game changer. You can go from dreading the task to finishing it in under 30 minutes. That said, it's not perfect. I did run into an issue that a few other users might bump into, and that's with the hole saws, particularly the smaller ones. While the two 1/8-inch bit worked flawlessly, removing it from the arbor adapter was tough. I had to give it a few taps and some penetrating oil to break it loose. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something you should be aware of. This is common with hole saws, but it can be annoying when you're in the middle of a job. I heard from a buddy who tried the 1-inch hole saw and couldn't even get it to thread onto the arbor because the threads were poorly machined. That's a quality control red flag. It didn't happen to me, but it's concerning, especially since you're paying $34 for a complete kit. You expect every component to work straight out of the box, not have to run to the hardware store mid-project. Still, despite that hiccup, I'd say the pros far outweigh the cons. The price point is fair. Honestly, for under $35, you're getting a well-thought-out jig with solid construction and real utility. It's compact enough to store in a toolbox, not bulky like some older models, and it works on both wood and metal doors. I haven't tested it on steel, but the build quality suggests it would handle it fine. If you're someone who only installs a lock every few years, like replacing an old knob or adding a deadbolt for security, this is the perfect mid-tier option. It's not overpriced, but it doesn't feel cheap either. You're getting professional-grade function without the professional-grade price tag. At the end of the day, the Milescraft Lock Mate PLUS delivered where it mattered most: accuracy, ease of use, and peace of mind. I didn't have to re-drill, I didn't have to patch, and the final install looked clean and professional. That's what you want from a tool like this. Yeah, the hole saw quality is a little inconsistent and the removal process could be smoother, but those are minor gripes in the grand scheme. If you're tired of eyeballing drill holes or struggling with clamps and tape measures, this jig will save you time, effort, and frustration. For DIYers, handymen, or even property managers who handle door maintenance, this is a smart addition to the toolkit. I'd buy it again, and honestly, I might keep a second one as a backup. If you're ready to lock in perfect installations every time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart tool tips. Don't let shaky jigs screw up your next project. Hit that bell so you never miss a review. Stay precise, stay confident, and keep building like a pro.